Hi, my name is Laco, CEO of Becloud Smart, Australian Microsoft partner. We've been partnering with Aegis Software for over 3 years, mainly in the areas of Dynamics 365 and Power Platform, where the consultants from Aegis extended the knowledge and expertise of Becloud Smart team. Over the years, we've built many applications on Microsoft Power Platform, used the skills of the consultants to build Power Automate flows and Power BI reports. We also partner to provide solutions within the Dynamics 365 Business Central, mainly in the areas of finance, inventory, and warehouse management. The team that Aegis Software provides is highly skilled, has a really good working knowledge of Microsoft Power Platform and various other Microsoft technologies. I would highly recommend if you're looking to extend or completely outsource your Microsoft Power Platform and Dynamics 365 needs.